don't laugh at me, okay? I decided to go to a upscale hood salon, okay? Bonjour, mes amis, and bienvenue to a new weekly vlog. C'est moi, Jessie, your resident Francophile, and here on Cappuccinos and Consignment, I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow me over on Insta, where I have just hit 100K. I am new on TikTok, and I have a blog as well. So today is Tuesday, and I typically don't vlog on Tuesdays because today's the day when I upload vlogs. I just posted my weekly vlog about 2 hours ago, and I typically have those posted earlier, but there were just issues with the Wi-Fi while I was out. It's been crazy. So if you watched last week's vlog, it ended just as this is beginning. This is the outfit that I have on. I see you all last as I was heading out for appointments. Today has just been so crazy. I started going to this really nice like boutique nail salon, and it's insane. Like, it's so sterile. There are no scents. Like, it is so amazing. However, it is super expensive, and contrary to all of the luxury goods you see, I am extremely frugal with some things. And again, I grew up in the era with the 1999 full sets and free airbrush. Gone are the days. So I was spending about $200 US for my nails, and I get a dip and I think gel and then a pedicure. Like, that's a lot of money, again, because I'd rather spend my money on purses. I decided to go to this. Don't laugh at me, okay? I decided to go to a upscale hood salon, okay? And I am not above it. I was born in Southeast DC. Look, put me anywhere and I will be fine. So with that being said, this is the nicer of the hood salons that I went to because I did not want to pay $200. I have a trip coming up, and I just got back from Paris. And if you saw the last vlog, I've been in Dior a whole lot. Anyway, long story short, went around the way to get my nails done. I'm actually really impressed. I love it. I love super short nails. Got a pedi, looks good, all is well. I got a notification that my Airpods were moving. I was under the dryer, like my nails were drying. And I get those alerts so often that I don't even pay it any attention, because there are times when I'm in the house and I'll get the notification. I was actually watching a vlog with my right ear pod in, and I got the notification. So I'm just thinking, oh, when I got in the car, it was gone. So I searched the car. I'm searching in my purse. I'm so in love with this bag. I picked this up in Paris a few weeks ago, but it is so difficult to find things in, and I'll do a review on this soon. Where was I going? I'm so tired. Long story short, the Airpods are gone. Got home, the husband did like to find my iPhone. We found where the Airpods were. Truly, I just have no interest in confronting someone about something so, to me, I could say so replaceable. So to the young lady who stole my Airpods, I don't know what you're going to do with them because I disabled them. And it truly just made me so sad because I was at the salon after a doctor's appointment. So it was midday. There were only 2 other people there. So I saw the person who took it, and it's like, I would have bought you a pair of Airpods, truly. But be that as it may, I have a new set being delivered in mere hours. So that is definitely a blessing. But I just wanted to officially open this vlog. There will be a lot of admin things because just trying to get things together. Again, hitting 100K has like taken things. It's been crazy. It has been. And I really want us to do a sit down. But for now, I am so tired. The medical appointment today was a bit scary. And I need to get myself together, like I really do, mentally and emotionally, because I'm still trying to pick myself up from last week. But I just wanted to say bonjour, and I will insert the OOTD that I recorded earlier but did not post here, which I really could have, because the vlog didn't go live until much later. Whatever, it's done. I'll post it here. And yeah, let's get this week started. So I will see you all at some point. Alrighty, ciao for now. Oh, Dior came in today. I'm certain it's the belt, because I had issues. Last vlog, you all will have seen me in Dior twice. The 2 times they ordered the belt, too big, but we'll try it on tomorrow, just not today. At some point we will. Alrighty, truly. Ciao for now. Finally took out the bonjour, mes amis. I hope the light behind me isn't making this so bad. Just getting back in. New Airpods. Who's this? Just got back in. I had an appointment with my esthetician, did that, and I stopped, and instead of getting Starbucks, I got like a smoothie. It's really, really good. I get some veggie smoothie. I can't remember the name, but it's pretty much just all veggies and ginger. Had that. What did I do? I need to today reply to a lot of comments. I have comments on YouTube from shorts and old vlogs. I want to get that, because I try to reply to every single message I get. Definitely here on YouTube and the blog, I reply to every single one. Over on Insta, it's becoming a bit hard to do so because of the amount of comments that I get. And so I'm trying to discern between replying back to mes amis and just replying back to messages from videos that have gone viral. And that's like a whole other world that I am not handling well. I'm learning to just block out those things. But when you have viral videos, you do not realize how much attention that draws to you. And it's not always good. Like, I get god awful messages from just strangers who I know found my video because it went viral. So a lot of those messages I just delete, but I always want to make sure I reply to as many mes amis as I can. And it's getting hard, I will say, and that's difficult pour moi, because I'm so used to this community being so small and so tight knit, and it just makes me so happy that I am growing. So I don't know where this was going, but anyway, I need to do that. I needed that mental break right then and there. That was the longest I've paused in some time, but I have a lot of stuff to do. So I will, I'm guessing I may just prop up the camera and you all can see. I want to update my planner. I have not done that in quite some time. I have been using my phone, and that's something that I've never really done. Like, I love planners, which is why I got the husband to get me the LV one. But I am rambling about, I also need to fold clothes. Let me get some work done. I just wanted to officially check in. I recorded an OOTD for Insta. I'm actually going to post that after I turn the camera off, and I'll insert it here. I love it. Alrighty, I'll see you all in a bit. Ciao for now. Perfect, thank you. Quick Starbucks run. I didn't say bonjour, mes amis. Ciao for now.
Say hi, Dada.
Bye. Are you gonna say hi, Dada? Hi, Dada. Bonjour, mes amis. It is Sunday, and I am meeting up with a friend for sushi and cocktails. So yesterday I planned on vlogging. I picked up my mare, and I wanted us to do, let's see, the lighting is not that great. I wanted us to do the market and go and hang out, but it was so much traffic. Like, I ended up staying in traffic for about 3 hours or so. So by that time, we were just ready to call it a day. Friday, I did a lot on social media, just replying to comments, and I went live. Oh yeah, I went live for like over an hour. Like, it was insane. I can't believe I talked that long. It's like, I'm long-winded, but we had such a great time because a few weeks ago I did a Q&A. So I answered some of the questions from Mesami who were actually attending the live. Yeah, it was really nice. I'm sorry, I'm like moving the camera around. One, my arm is getting tired for trying to find the light. So today, as I wanted to do something. I wanted to take my mom out, but I could tell she was a bit tired and kind of just wanted to relax, which is fine. And then the husband has just been working like crazy, so he's exhausted. And as I went through my phone, I'm like, I really don't have a lot of friends, like people I could call. And especially here in the States, but I do have a few, and the ones that I do have, I cherish them so much. So I was so happy that my friend was able to meet me. She's not into social media, so I'll show a bit of the restaurant, but I'm sure she won't want to join, and that's totally fine. We typically start off with food and cocktails, and then we end up shopping and everything else. So I don't know where this day is going to go, and it is about 3 p.m. I was supposed to meet her at 3. She's running behind. I was a bit behind too because traffic was just really bad, but c'est la vie. So I am really happy that we can meet up. I am wearing the shirt. Ooh. I am wearing one of my favorite shirt dresses. It is perfect because, one, it was already ironed, so that just cut down a lot of the prep, and I just love it. Like, I really do love it. And if you are new here, I wear my pieces over and over again because I love them. And I mean, why not? I'm not a big fast fashion person, so a lot of the things that I do have, they were investments. Like, they're not designer per se, but they're pricey because they're really, really nice quality and they are meant to last. So no, that's not her. Yes, it is. Okay, so I will see you all somewhere. Alrighty, ciao for now. Oh my goodness.
Now you tell me.
I wouldn't know. Okay, this is by far the nicest Dollar Tree I have ever been to. Like, I am swooning. Look at this craft selection. Oh my goodness. Bonjour, mes amis. It is Monday, and we have a bit of an unboxing. Pour ma mère. Teddy Blake sent her over a gift, and I opened the box, but she hasn't seen it. Can I show you just a peek? You want to say hi to the camera? Just a peek?
Yeah. Hello.
Ooh, this looks fancy, girlfriend. It's for funny. Even with your mask, I can see that you're smiling, like your cheeks are up. I can see that you're cheesing. Okay, it's a kind of tight fit. I may need your help. There we go. Actually, let me sit the camera down once I get a bit of teamwork going. You want to peek? See, I told you I didn't open it. We're both still in our pajamas. Oh, let me let you do it. I'll take this. Get it out the way. Isn't that gorgeous? Yay, merci beaucoup, Teddy Blake, for sending my mare over this gift. It is lovely. Once you finally wear it, I'll have to get a photo of you.
Yeah. I'll have something nice on.
You didn't get a gift, baby China. You always get stuff. Okay, oh yeah, so that's the strap. So if you don't want to carry it as a handbag, you can carry it as a strap. Okay, baby China is pulling me, so I am going to check back in when I can.
Bye-bye.
Ciao for now.
Bonjour, mes amis. Merci beaucoup. If you have stuck around this far, I thank you so much. It is Monday. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I may record a bit tomorrow. I'm going to go to like Starbucks first thing in the morning because I have a really, really long day. Today, I have been just all admin kind of things, and it is so time consuming. Like, I did not realize how late it was. Back and forth with PR reps, well, PR people, and replying back to comments. I posted a blog earlier today and replying back to every single message I received. Looked at the time, realized I hadn't posted on Insta, did that, posted on TikTok. And yeah, I haven't even eaten anything today. I had my single shot of espresso, but I'm getting all of those things done. And I'm not complaining by any stretch of the imagination because I am actively pursuing my dreams and it feels so good, but it is a lot. And being in this space, it is making me realize I need to let go of some of the control and possibly outsource some things. What those things will be remain to be seen. I don't know, but I can feel it. Like, I really do need help. So I have finally taken a second to wind down. I took the most relaxing shower. And I know that may sound odd because people equate relaxation with baths, but I don't do that. So I have like these shower steamers that are amazing by a dear friend of mine, and I will link her Insta info here. They are so good. I did like a really good facial deep clean. I'm about to finish the process, but it's a bit scary because it's a mask, so I wanted to record first. And yeah, have a glass of wine and really get back to work. That's how it's going to be for a while. Like, I'm getting my travel schedule together, coordinate and make sure things are together. It is a lot, but I am so thankful. So I just wanted to say merci beaucoup again. Merci beaucoup to Teddy Blake for sending my mare that lovely gift. She was here when I did the collaboration with them, and she really, really loved the purse. And I contacted them because I wanted to make sure I wasn't like doing something wrong, because I'm like, can I give this to my mare? Like, she really, really loved it, and they were so kind to send it over. So again, I thank you all so much for that. It means so much to her. And yeah, so it is time to relax. That's work and relax. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And if I do not see you all tomorrow morning at Starbucks, we will pick back up next week. So I feel like I'm going to see you again this week, even if you're not on Insta, because I really want to do the book tote review. My mind's going. This is welcome to my world. Alrighty, ciao for now.